In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your app's logo in just a few easy steps. Let's say you've got a new logo and you're excited to make that change across your applications. This guide will help you navigate through the process smoothly and effectively. First, let's head over to the Setup section. In most applications, you'll find the Setup option by clicking on the gear icon normally situated in the top right corner of your screen. Think of this as your hub for all things configuration related. It's where you'll begin your journey in making these customizations. Once you've opened Setup, you'll see a quick find box. This feature is incredibly helpful for narrowing down what you need without having to scroll through endless lists. So in this quick find box, go ahead and type App Manager. And when it appears in the search results, simply click on it. Now that you're in the App Manager, browse through the list of applications until you find the one whose logo you would like to change. It's worth taking a moment to ensure you select the correct application because this will ensure you're updating the exact part you desire. Once you've found your target app, look to the right of its name and you'll see a small down arrow. Clicking on this arrow will reveal a list of options. From these options, choose Edit, as it will allow you to make the changes you need. You'll notice a sidebar on the left-hand side. This will contain several tabs related to your app's features and settings. Here, you want to click on App Details and Branding. This area is specifically designated for visual elements of your app, including your current logo. Upon arriving at the App Details and Branding page, you should see a preview of your current logo. Just below this preview, you'll find an option labeled Clear. Clicking Clear will remove the existing logo, making way for the new one. Next, it's time to upload your new logo. Right after you clear the existing one, an upload button should be visible. Click on Upload. You'll be prompted to navigate through your computer's file system to locate your new logo file. Select the file you're going to use and confirm this selection. Once your new logo uploads, you'll want to finalize the changes by saving them. Simply click the Save button. This ensures your new logo is associated with the application from here on out. And there you have it. A straightforward way to refresh your app's appearance by updating its logo. Whether you're doing a brand overhaul or just making minor adjustments, changing your app logo can make a significant impact. Thanks for following along and happy customizing!